What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Cast Ahead, and today we're going to be talking about Descript's brand new, absolutely cool AI function that they have just launched that I use all of the time to make sure that my videos are a little more clear. In fact, I'm going to use it on this video as well, and that is called Edit for Clarity. And so I'm just going to share my screen right here and show you exactly what I'm talking about, and we're going to actually do Edit for Clarity in Descript, and you'll be able to see my entire workflow. All right, here is Descript, and what I've got in here already pulled in is a podcast interview for one of my clients. This is the Pipe Podcast with Crispin Cruz, the host, and Usman Sheikh, and they're actually talking about AI in sales, of all things. And so we're going to use AI to edit this. Now, what I've gone ahead and done here, and you could see other videos on my channel if you want to see how to do things like create really cool and engaging social video and then pull in things like Descript, stock video, do things like captions and things like that. But I'm not going to do that just yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, if you can see right here, I want to keep my social video or my vertical video 59 seconds or less. And the reason why I want to do that is because YouTube will take a video that's over 59 seconds and they will not make it a short. They'll just make it a video. And so one of the little tricks that I use is I pull in this new function from Descript called Edit for Clarity. And it's an AI function, and the way to do that in Descript is to go up here into the Actions bar, click on Actions bar, and down here it'll say Ask AI. Another thing you could do is remove filler words. You can shorten word gaps. These are all ways to kind of like truncate your video down under 59 seconds. Things can get a little choppy, so you want to use your judgment here, but this is interesting here. If I go to Ask AI, then I get a whole bunch of AI things that I can choose from, but I want to choose this one right here, which says Edit for Clarity. And so if I click on Edit for Clarity, it says, edit this down to remove any speech disfluencies, repeated sections, and tangents that distract from the core ideas. And then there's a little arrow key. So don't worry about ruining anything that you've already done, because once it makes changes, it'll show you what changes it's going to make. And then it'll also show you how to copy it to a brand new composition. So everything that you have edited in here already stays where it is, and you can copy it to a new composition, or you can just do it within this particular composition and actually change from there. So AI is thinking, and boom, that was quick. And basically what it did is it's showing here, it's showing the actual transcript. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that it crossed out this particular sentence in here because I guess it recognized it as something that didn't need to be in there. Let's look at it and see what it says. It says, in the transcript, it can do it in a very short period of time and even adds personalization to the equation. And then goes right to AI is extremely transformative big data, analyzing it in microseconds, but took out the sentence. So it really makes me an improved person to talk to one of my prospects because I understand their business. So it took that out there probably because it says that later in the transcript. So now, from this point, you could see underneath this, it says apply edits to script. So if I were to click on that, it would take out that particular sentence in this main transcript in the video and edit it. Or I can copy the edits to a new composition. Now, I'm someone that likes to keep copies of copies of copies. So I like to make a copy of the composition with the change of it. But even if you did apply edits to the script, you can go into the transcript and undo that as well. So don't feel like if you did it and oops, I clicked that, now I've painted myself into the corner and I can't undo it. You don't have to worry about that. If you wanted to start over and go back to where that was, you can do that, or just hit close. But I'm going to, like I said, hit copy edits to new composition. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And it says right here, it copied right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can see right here is where it made that particular edit. So right here, you can see when I hovered over it, this right here means I can delete it right out of the transcript, and now it skips it. So if I were to hit play here, it's going to go straight from equation to AI.
Equation. AI is extremely transformative.
So it went straight to it like that. So it jumped that anyway. So if you wanted to delete that and just take that out, it's no big deal to leave this in here right now because it's not going to show up here on your captions. It's not going to show up here on your video. It's just basically saying, hey, this is what I cut out. I like to leave it in there. It's not going to show up anyway. So if I need to make any little adjustment, then I don't really like the way it edited slightly, I can make adjustments from there. But as you can see, it took me down below 1 minute. And now that 1 minute and 4 seconds is now down to 55 seconds. I can take this, I can export this as a YouTube short and post it in under 59 seconds. So just imagine what you could do. This was just on a 1 minute clip that I made, but if you have like the full interview from this particular interview, from this particular show, and you want to look at this and click on your AI actions and ask AI and then edit for clarity, you could see just how much this is a 40-minute interview. Let's just see how much it shortens in a 40-minute interview down. If it took 1 minute and 5 seconds down to 55 seconds, which definitely helped me. Let's see, and look how quick that was. So now you could see this is an entire 40-minute, and you could start to see it's taking out more of these things. It looks like everything's fine for a little. Oh, here's some more sentences that it's taking out. So if I were to copy edits to, let's go ahead and apply the edits to the script and kind of so we can show you that. And now you can see that it actually took 2 minutes out, 2 minutes total. So it wasn't a huge amount that it took out, but it shortened it for a little bit and took out some of the disfluencies and some of these other things. And by the time you remove filler words and things like that, you have actually taken a video that could be extremely long and shortened it down to something where you're hitting someone with value the entire time and there's no fluff. So there you go. This is a really powerful program in general, Descript. You can look down here in the show notes. I've got a link for you, an affiliate link that I make a little pocket change on, and it's at no extra cost to you. So if you're interested in Descript, please click on the link below in the show notes. Hit subscribe, click all the things, thumbs up, all of that good stuff. I appreciate you, and I hope this video helps you.